Let's make a carrot cake that'll wow everyone. Grab a mixing bowl and toss in 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 cracked eggs, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Whisk it all into a smooth golden base. Next, fold in the magic. 1 cup grated carrots, about 2 to 3 medium carrots. And, if you're feeling fancy, 1 cup chopped walnuts and raisins for that extra crunch. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon cinnamon for that warm, cozy vibe. Then add 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoons baking powder. Prep your round cake pan lightly, dust it with flour and line it with parchment. Pour in the batter. Smooth the top and sprinkle on a handful of extra nuts or dried fruit for a gorgeous finish. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Pop the cake in and bake for 35 to 40 minutes until golden and the aroma fills your kitchen. While it's baking, let's whip up the dreamy frosting. In a bowl, beat 1 cup double cream until creamy. ½ cup powdered sugar and salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's beautifully combined, until fluffy and cloud-like. Once the cake is cooled, crown it with that luscious frosting. Here's a quick slice of its sweet history. Back in medieval Europe, when sugar was pricey, carrots were the go-to sweetener in desserts. By the 18th century, carrot puddings were popular in Britain, spiced, rich, and satisfying. Then came World War II, and with sugar rationing, carrot cake made a big comeback. From wartime necessity to cafe favourite, it's now a timeless treat. And today you're baking your own delicious piece of that history. A sprinkle of chopped nuts, dust with cocoa powder, or even some grated chocolate for the ultimate touch. Slice, serve, and let the magic melt in your mouth. Enjoy your masterpiece.